What would you do if a nuclear war broke out tomorrow? Would you be prepared, or would you be left scrambling, unsure of how to protect yourself and your loved ones? Today, we're diving into the practical, clear-cut strategies for surviving a nuclear war. In the face of such an extreme event, it's crucial to have a plan. First and foremost, one needs to understand the importance of seeking immediate shelter. Ideally, a basement or an interior room without windows would be the best option. The goal is to put as many layers between you and the nuclear fallout outside. Remember, concrete and soil are your best friends in this scenario. They offer the greatest protection against the deadly radiation. If you happen to be near a public fallout shelter, that's even better. These structures are specifically designed to protect against radiation. A common misconception is the idea that nuclear fallout will render the entire planet uninhabitable. In reality, the danger of fallout decreases over time. After about 2 weeks, the levels of radiation will have declined significantly. This is why having a stockpile of supplies is crucial. In your emergency kit, you should have enough food, water, and medical supplies to last at least 2 weeks. Non-perishable canned goods and bottled water are ideal. And don't forget about a can opener. Medical supplies should include a basic first aid kit, prescription medications if needed, and potassium iodide tablets. These tablets can help protect your body from absorbing radioactive iodine, a common byproduct of nuclear explosions. While you're holed up in your shelter, it's important to stay informed. A battery or crank-powered radio can provide crucial updates about the situation outside. Remember to keep extra batteries or a solar charger on hand to keep your radio running. After 2 weeks, when it's safe to venture outside, remember to stay vigilant. Avoid consuming food or water from the local area until it's been declared safe, as it could be contaminated with radiation. In summary, surviving a nuclear war is about preparation and knowledge. Find or create a suitable shelter, stockpile enough supplies to last at least 2 weeks, and stay informed through a reliable battery-operated radio. And when it's safe to go outside, continue to be cautious of potential radiation contamination. While a nuclear war is a terrifying prospect, understanding these survival strategies can make a significant difference. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it could be the key to survival. So equip yourself with these strategies, and you'll be better prepared to face even the most extreme circumstances.